Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving deep into HashMap, one of the most frequently asked topics in Java interviews. Whether you are freshers or preparing for senior roles, these HashMap questions will help you crack interviews and understanding HashMap little bit. So stick around till the end. We'll cover internal working, HashMap collision and resizing related questions. So let's start it with our first question. What is HashMap in Java? HashMap is a part of Java collection framework. It stores data in key value pairs. It uses hashing technique for fast iteration and retrieval. Keys are unique, but values can be duplicate. Remember, keys are unique and only one null key will be allowed. So here we are inserting three key value pairs into a HashMap. Moving towards next question, how does HashMap work internally in Java? HashMap uses hashcode and equals method. It computes a hash of key and places it in a bucket. Buckets are part of an array of nodes. In case of hash collision, it uses linked list, or after Java it uses balance tree. So surprisingly here, string FB and EA produce the same hash code, creating a collision. But since HashMap uses equals method, it treats them as different key, and that's how HashMap handle collision. This is very brief answer. We'll cover the whole internal working in detail in our next video. So moving to our next question. What happens if two keys have the same hash code? Answer is, if two keys have the same hash code, they go into the same bucket. But they'll only overwrite each other if equals also returns true. Otherwise, both are stored due to collision handling and using chaining. Next question. What is load factor in HashMap? The load factor controls how full the HashMap can get before it resizes. Okay. By default, it's 0.75, meaning when 75% is filled, the capacity doubles to maintain constant time performances. Next question. What happens when HashMap exceeds the load factor? When HashMap exceeds its load factor, it resizes, usually doubling in size. Then it rehashes all the existing key and redistributed them. This is costly, means time taking, so initializing HashMap with the correct size is good practice. Next question. How does resizing work in HashMap? When resizing happens, a new larger array is created and every key is rehashed and reinserted based on the new capacity. So after Java 8, tree structure are also managed during resizing. So it's important to plan ahead and initialize with a proper size if you know the volume of data in advance. Next question. Difference between HashMap and Hashtable. HashMap is not synchronized by default while Hashtable is synchronized. So HashMap is not thread safe. Hashtable is thread safe. That also HashMap also allows one null key and multiple null values. Hashtable doesn't allow any null key or value. And performances, as HashMap is not synchronous, it is fast and Hashtable is slow. Next question. When does HashMap convert bucket from linked list to tree? This is a smart optimization added in Java 8. When bucket becomes too full, more than 8 entries, and the map is larger enough, Java internally use balance tree instead of linked list. This avoids performance degradation in case of too many collisions. Next question. Can HashMap have null keys or value? Yes, HashMap allows one null key and it allows multiple null values. Next question. Difference between HashMap, TreeMap and LinkedHashMap. So this is important comparison. HashMap is fastest and unordered. TreeMap maintains a sorted order of keys but is slower. HashMap keep insertion order perfect when order matters. So we can choose based on our use cases. Thanks for watching. In this video we have covered 10 questions very briefly, not in detail. In the upcoming video we'll cover each topic in detail. So thanks for watching and do like, share and subscribe.